Mastering Idioms, Pull the Strings, explained. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English idiom that you might have heard but not fully understood. Pull the strings. This phrase is rich in meaning and usage, and by the end of this video, you'll be equipped to use it confidently in your conversations and writings. Let's unravel the mystery together. At its core, pull the strings refers to the act of controlling or influencing a situation or people, often from behind the scenes. Imagine a puppeteer skillfully manipulating a puppet by pulling on its strings. In a similar vein, someone who pulls the strings exercises control over events or individuals, usually without making their influence overtly visible. Understanding the origins of idioms can greatly enhance our grasp of their meanings. The phrase, pull the strings, likely finds its roots in puppetry, where puppeteers control marionettes by pulling on strings attached to various parts of the puppet's body. This visual gives us a clear metaphor for how someone might control situations or others discreetly. To fully grasp this idiom, let's explore a few examples. 1. In the workplace, although the CEO is the face of the company, it's really the board of directors who pull the strings. 2. In politics, the president makes the decisions, but many believe there are unseen advisors who really pull the strings. 3. In family dynamics, in many families, it might seem like the parents are in charge, but often, the grandparents pull the strings. These examples show how pull the strings can be applied in various contexts to describe hidden influence or control. When using this idiom, it's important to understand its connotation. It can be neutral, implying simple influence, but it often carries a slightly negative undertone, suggesting manipulation or undue control. Here's how you might use it. To describe influence, she's the one who pulls the strings in that organization. To discuss power dynamics, everyone knows that he's the one pulling the strings behind the scenes. We hope this exploration of pull the strings has illuminated its meaning and applications for you. Idioms like this one add color and depth to our language, allowing us to convey complex ideas succinctly and vividly. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to pull the strings in your English language journey. Until next time, happy learning!